Hey guys, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. So today I'm going to do this quick carving. This is a piece of driftwood. Super light, like look, 2 fingers. I could hold it with half a finger if I could balance it. Anyways, what I want to make this video about is see this triangle? This is the easiest wood spirit to carve for a brand new carver. The way it's like that, because you can get your nose to stick out farther right away and then make the face of the shape. Okay, so we always start off with our basic line, our center line. I'm going to stain this piece 2 different colors. I'm going to stain his mustache and beard like a gray color too, and show you how I do that. So this isn't going to be like a real wood spirit tutorial video. It's just going to be like, I wanted to make this video to show you for the staining. Okay, so there's our nose. Both sides are the same pitch. And let's give this guy just a little mustache. Okay. So everything's equal. The size of the mustaches are equal. Yeah, you can see I hit my finger today with one of the 1/4-inch Kutzall bits in my die grinder. Luckily, that's all I got. But anyways, I'm just covering my finger to keep it from, this is driftwood, so you don't know if the dog's pissed on this or whatever. So here's his eyes, okay? And no forehead. This guy won't have a forehead. So let's start carving. And always carve, so this is going to be carved all out, right? Always carve on the outside of your lines. Outside of the lines, right? So this stuff, this stuff pops out. Okay? Okay, see that? Basic template, guys. I use it every time. But you see that? See how the nose, once I cut down here, and then cut straight down, all this, where's the nose here? Here's the nose. All this is going to be cut out. So the nose will stick out. It's so easy, guys. It really is. Sorry, guys. I thought I was filming, but see how far that nose sticks out? This took me 2 minutes to do so far. I'm going to switch to my Fordham 1/8 Kutzall bit, okay? This is the bit that hit my thumb this morning. But just to move, there'll be a link below in the comments below and the description below where to buy these burs. I'm just going to use this to remove lots of material in here. Okay, so look, this didn't even take me 10 minutes to carve, guys. I'm not saying that you could be that fast when you first start, but that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to make the nose pop out there when you're carving on a piece of wood like a triangle. So the nose is the highest point, right? So now I took this all the way. I could take this mustache down more too. And then you want to try and line up the mouth. This guy's just going to have a bottom lip. He's not going to have an open mouth. Ah, yeah, maybe I'll give him an open mouth. But then I'm going to draw the eyes on and shape the nose. So how I do my nose, I just draw my center line here. Draw the nostrils on each side. Try and make them equal, guys. Equal to each other. I carve, this is all going to stay. And I carve on this side of the line. Carve all this out. On an angle. Draw my eyes back on. Yeah, there you go. This isn't cedar. I think it's cottonwood. Shitwood. See how that nostril's sticking out now? Now I'm going to do the same with this other side, on an angle. As I say lots of my other videos, guys, carve that lip deep under the mustache so it doesn't look like it's riding up on the mustache. It separates them, right? And carve that mouth really deep, that hole in the mouth really deep too. Not that deep. You can paint it black like you'll see what I do, but just when you're at a point where you're comfortable with all the blocking out, just run around, touch it up so everything looks more proportionate. Take your time. It's about enjoying yourself, liking what you're doing. That's what I'm doing, just running around, touching everything up, making the mouth deeper. Here I am cutting in the eyebrows. Okay, cut those eyebrows in. You guys can see how fast I'm cutting these whisker beard hairs in because I really don't care about this piece. I just want to get it done, right? It's kind of like a waste wood piece. But cut your hairs so close to each other, guys, and cross them over. Slow crosses. And the more the hairs that you cut in, the cooler the piece will look. Believe me, try it. Even if it takes 4 hours, just try it. You'll love it, the way it looks. The final product. Sign your pieces, people. Sign your pieces. Okay, so you can see, I thought I had it recorded, guys, but I guess it wasn't recording. Fuck. But you can see down here is stained with gray. This is all gray and this is brown. So when this dries, it's just going to look like an old brown wood spirit, I guess. Kind of looks like an old Chewbacca. You know, up here and gray on the nose, so just kind of touch that up. Just enjoy what you're doing. That's what it's about. And if it looks like crap, who cares? Make another one. That's my logo and I'm sticking to it. Who cares what people think? So I should let this stuff dry, okay? Oh shit, there's more fucking gray. Oops. Whatever, mixes it up. I should just let this whole thing dry, but since this wood is so porous and sucked all the stuff in, I'm going to hit it with sandpaper quickly, just to show you how I sand my high points. This is 180 grit sandpaper, and how it really brings it alive. I should have let this dry because it's just I'll take it outside and blow it off with the compressor, but there you go, there's a gray old man, gray beard. Hope everybody's doing good. Sorry for the shitty filming today. Sign your pieces. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Hey guys, I just want to say when carving this piece, I didn't really define the beard hairs and whatever. I maybe spent, I don't know, 20 minutes top to finish carving this one, because it was pretty shitty wood, like soft, almost punky cottonwood. So, you know, the punky, real soft wood's good for you guys to practice the spirits on. I can still sell this guy for 25 bucks, but I didn't put too much time into it. As soon as I started carving the wood, I'm like, it's not really going to hold any value. So why, goddamn gray, why put some time into it? But whatever, it is what it is.
I am Chewbacca's grandpa.